Alright, good morning everyone. Just before I go to the office, I would like to make a quick video regarding to dummy battery for Panasonic GH5. Yes, this Panasonic GH5 is the one that I'm using right now. I've been looking for a dummy battery for quite some time, but it's gonna be very expensive if I buy it from Japan or from Amazon and ship it to Indonesia. So it's quite expensive. And I don't see any dummy batteries, genuine dummy batteries in Indonesia yet. So I might as well buying it from China. Yes, this is all about a dummy battery from third party from China. All right, so let's get on to it. First of all, in the package, you will get this battery, but it is no battery. It's just a shell. That's just a shell with nothing inside. I think it's just the cable connected to this thing, right? This cable here is the jack there. It's connected to jack. So I just want to talk about this battery. This kind of battery, there are two type of batteries. One is two type of dummy batteries. One is the half mapped, meaning that if you plug into the Panasonic GH5, it's not all is mapped. So Panasonic GH5 will kind of know that this battery is not genuine battery. So when you plug it in, Panasonic GH5 will ask some questions like, for example, is the battery genuine, or is it are you sure using this battery, kind of things. All right, so this one is fully mapped, meaning that there will be no question from Panasonic GH5, meaning that Panasonic will regard this third party battery as a genuine one. So cool. So that's one in the package. Another one that you get in the package is this cable. All right, so that's cable. It's a longer cable. Basically, what the cable does is that you connect. You need to connect this to the connector here, and you will see that those two cables actually now connected. Why do we need this cable though? This cable, other than make it longer, it actually has this little square here, or not square, as little box in here. What is that is, there is some scribbling here. I'm not sure if you can read it. I don't think so. I can read it for you. So basically, it Vitasoon, probably the brand name of Vitasoon, and it says that it's required 5-volt, USB input 5-volt, 2 ampere to 4 ampere. So yeah, it will only work if you put this USB to a power source of 5-volt with amperage of 2 to 4. All right, so that's what it needs. But why do this need 5 volts then? All right, so in the description as well, it's also said that the output of this will be the 8.4 or 8.8 volt. So now I can understand that if you put the power 5 volts in here, 2 to 4 amperes, this little thing here, box here, will step up the voltage from 5 to 9 volts, around 9 volts. 8.4 to 8.8 volts, and then goes to this battery, and this battery will power the Panasonic GH5. So that's what is said. If if I just multiply the voltage here with amperage, I get the power. That means if, say for example, this 5 volts, 2 to 4 amperes, say I got 3 amperes. 5 volts times 3 amperes is gonna be 15 watts. So what happens is, with this thing, if you put the 5 volts 3 ampere here, this little thing will step up the voltage into around 9 volts or 8.4 volts. If the amperage is if the power is the same, meaning around 15 ampere, and then the 9 volts will have around 1 point something amperage going out to this to power the Panasonic GH5. So yeah, that's what inside the package. Another one that you get is this kind of charger. So it's called the adapter. If you look into this, I'm not sure if you can read. No. Okay, let me help. All right, so that's the adapter. It says in there is 5 volts 3 amperes. So exactly what it needs for this little box. Which one? For this little box to function. All right, so this one, the output is 5 volts 3 ampere. This one need a 5 volts 3 amperes, perfect, and then it will output around 8.8 volts going to this battery, and then goes inside the Panasonic GH5. So it works perfectly. I've tried it, no problem. Now that one thing that I want to try is, what if I'm using the battery bank? I have battery bank. This is Anchor. This battery bank is quite big and is quite powerful. If you look into this outlet here, there are two outlets here. This one capable of churning out power around 18 watts, and then another one is 12 watts. So what I did is, I tried the 12 watts one, putting this into the 12 watts, and then put this in the Panasonic GH5. It actually works. So yeah, even Panasonic GH5 battery set is 14 watts, but if using this this battery bank, this particular battery bank with the 12 watts of power, it actually still works. But I think it will be much better if we put this to the 18 watts outlets, something like that. So yeah, it works fine. And why do I need that? I don't need because actually I never do video more than 2 hours. If you are having a need of having to make a video for 2 hours, for example, more than 2 hours, for example, or 5 hours, and in one day or one production, you probably need this kind of battery. All right, so I think that's it. What else do I want to say? All right, okay, one more thing. This battery, because they need quite a bit of power, not all battery bank can drive this. Right, so I mean, some people actually said that their battery bank is not powerful enough to drive this battery, so not all battery bank can function properly. This one, Anchor, with a 12 watts battery, 12 watts of power, I can confirm it works. All right, so I think that's it. What else? I don't know. If you have any question, just give me in the just put your comment in the comment section below, and then I'll try to answer it. Or I probably gonna try anything that you want to for me to try. All right, that's it for now, and then I'll see you next time. Cheers.